my name is Saran and this is Flora. Flora? Are you okay? It's too big. Do you need some help? Yes, please. This is the clue. Okay. Oh, a grapefruit. Yeah, it's a grapefruit. So is the sound. We'll see if you can think of the sound grapefruit. So is the sound g, g, g. Yeah, the sound is g, g, g. Brilliant. So that's the sound we're going to be learning about today. So let's go and have a little explore. Take your adult and we can have a look in the house and have a look outside. See you in a bit. Hello everybody, what words did you think of? So we thought, yeah, that was the, we thought of the word great, great. It's a great word, isn't it? And then we had a little explore round. We started off in the house first, didn't we? We found some grapes. We love grapes, don't we? We do. And we found garlic. Garlic's a bit strong on its own, isn't it? But it's good in food. It's good mixed up with food. We like it in our spaghetti bolognese. And then we went into the garden. And as soon as we went into the garden, we thought, the garden. That was a quick one, wasn't it? It was a good one. It was a good one. And then we had a little think about it. When we were outdoors, we were having a long chat, weren't we? And we thought of a gazelle. And we thought goat, and we thought of guinea pig as well. Guinea pig was a good one. So you might have a guinea pig, or you might know somebody who has a guinea pig, because guinea pigs are quite popular pets, aren't they? And do you know what guinea pigs eat? No, so they eat lots and lots of hay, but they also like fruit and vegetables, like kale and carrots. They do. They're healthy eaters, aren't they? Okay, so let's have a look to see what the sound g looks like. The sound is g. The letter name is G. This is a capital G. This is a small g. So now let's think of a song that has the g, g sound in, shall we? You know what you want to sing about. You need some help. Wonder if it's the grapefruit again. Oh, it is. It is the grapefruit. Can we try some after? Yeah, why not? Grapefruit's really good for you. Okay, so let's do the song. G, g, grapefruit. G, g, grapefruit. G, g, grapefruit. G, g, g. It's always fun, isn't it? We'll see you again soon. Bye.